they're gonna put up the public checkpoints, tarpaulins, and whatsoever. Bakit ano ito? Saan na siya? So, ay, hindi pala. It's a 2025 NLE National Local Elections Team. It's from the COMELEC Commission's elections. And they're gonna... Oh, they're actually confiscating some tarpaulins. Where was that put up? I don't know. Ha? Kami no, COMELEC checkpoint sa PNP. Sa COMELEC. Ito sa COMELEC pala ito. So they're from the Commission on Elections. They're on BC. Some tarpaulins. Mostly political ads tarpaulins. And they're gonna putting up here in front of the ayun pala, that's the Comelec Ozamiz City Task Force Backlash. Nagbabaklas sila ng mga political ads tarpaulins. What's this? Hi, early. So, nandito na nga sa public.
Kani murag isara ng kabuk. Wala ka tubig. Isara ng biyaso.
Sir. Pwede mga tanong. Sa attorney? Ay, ano sa attorney? Hindi ko naman. Hindi ko na nabatid si attorney. Nandito pala si attorney Russell JC. Ayan. So they're on the backlash operation. Today is March 28. March 28. Oh, malamang nandun na siya sa mga nandun na siya sa Bohol for the prayer rally. Ayan, Comelec Ozamiz Task Force Backlash. Team.
Bata na sir, bilang anak ko.
Attorney, can I text?
Yep.
Okay. Tolentino. 4.
Morning po. Morning, attorney. Can I have one statement regarding sa ano po? Baklas.
Sina?
Ay, sa ano po?
Asa ka nga office, ma'am?
Sa Facebook Reels, rani siya mata.
Not allowed yan, ma'am.
Okay.
Pwede na ba? Ayaw, ma'am, kayo.